Hi everyone, welcome back once again to VIEH Job Search Series. Today we have an interesting opening for the people, those who are into cybersecurity. So let's understand what are the openings that we have today. So the company name is Cyber SRC. It's called Amplifying Cyber Research Management. So this is something which is a cyber defensive company. As far I know, with getting through the name, so the positions for which they are looking for is senior security analyst. They should have minimum 1 to 2 years of experience. Another opening is senior information security analyst. For that, uh, minimum experience should be 1 to 2 years. Third thing is sales executive. For that, again, 1 to 2 years of experience is required. And sales executive is, I guess, for the cybersecurity because most of the positions are for the same. Targeted audience. Uh, the people those who can apply for this job role is the people those who are into cybersecurity with minimum 1 years of experience. So sometime we are getting a comment ki, sir, we have not done any job anywhere. So if you have gone through the internship, it's a good company actually, not something which is not having even registration. If you have done even internship of 6 months twice, let's say if you have completed internship 1 year, 6 months in a company and 6 months in another company, then it will be considered as a 1 year of experience. So this is how you can calculate your experience actually. For applying for this job role, you can send a resume to hr@cybersrcc.com and swagata@cybersrcc.com. Again, for applying for any job role, first make sure the company where you're applying is authentic. We are not claiming for any authenticity of anything, it's all on you. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.